So a lot of the videos on my channel have been geared towards men. The majority of the people subscribed to my channel are men. However, as the channel has grown, I've noticed that a small percentage of women have been joining the channel, commenting, engaging, and in fact, I've been coaching more and more women in business, and I've coached women for years, mostly on health and weight loss, but now I'm coaching more women on business. And so I wanted to share some love to the women to help them. Because I know a lot of women are frustrated nowadays, and so I wanted to share some wisdom to help you on your journey. And this is going to be some powerful dating advice mainly for single women. I know a lot of single women these days are very frustrated. And this could easily be a 5-hour video, but I want to try to keep this short. Just some simple, powerful, and practical advice that you can begin to apply immediately. And so that is, when you're meeting man, if you're a single woman and you're looking for a man, don't just look for a man that is rich, that has status, has a good career, such as a doctor or attorney. Look for a man who knows his purpose in life, and has vision for his life. This is very important, because a man without purpose, who doesn't know his purpose in life, is lost. And I know this. I've been coaching men for years. And a lot of men are lost because they're confused. They don't know what they're born to do. They don't know their purpose in life. They're confused. I've coached doctors and corporate businessmen and people from all over the world, from India to China to all over. Supposedly powerful men, yet they're lost because they don't know their purpose in life. A man who doesn't know his purpose in life, it's very frustrating. And this is why it can be very difficult for a man when his career is part of his purpose and he loses that career. This is why it can devastate him. A man feels at his best in life when he's on his purpose and he has vision. And so when you're dating, look for a man that has purpose and that has vision. A lot of men, I know on the dating apps and everything, women, studies show they're naturally attracted to men that have seemingly powerful careers, doctors, attorneys, so forth. But the thing is, that might not really be what they truly want to be doing in their life. Maybe they just became a doctor or attorney to make their mommy and daddy proud of them, and they're trying to finally get some recognition from their dad, but deep down inside they're broken. And they have no vision. They're not on their purpose in life. That's not going to be a fulfilling relationship to get into a relationship with somebody like that. Look for someone with purpose and a vision. And don't confuse this with someone with a dream. And this is where it gets tricky. Because everybody has dreams. But if they're not taking action towards this vision that they have, then it's just a dream, and dreams are worthless. Dreams are worthless. Dreams are for little boys. A vision is when you can see the destination and you can see what is required to get to the destination, and you're taking action on the path to make it become a reality. So you meet someone and they're in school and they love numbers. They've always loved numbers and investing. And they got a vision. They want to go, they want to finish school, and then they want to pass all the tests to become an accountant, and then work for someone to learn the ins and outs of the business, and then they want to open up their own firm, and then from there they want to invest in property. That's someone with vision. Especially if it's somebody that, that's what they love. They love numbers and investing. Not somebody that's just, they're going to school to become a doctor. They don't really know if this is what they want to do, but it's going to make their family proud. No. Look for someone who knows their purpose in life. They know their work. And when I mean by work, I don't mean your job. A job is what you are paid for. Your work, your purpose is what you were born to do. You can get fired from your job. You can't get fired from your work, from your purpose. A man that knows his purpose is going to have more energy and enthusiasm than 10 men combined that are lost, that don't know their purpose in life. And then once you find this man that knows his purpose in life, knows his vision, has a vision, and is working towards that vision, then help them. Help them, support them. Women are great helpers. They love helping. A lot of times this is what they were made for, to help. A lot of times women will help their whole family, their children, and everybody else, and then they don't help themselves, and then they end up overweight. And I know this because I've been coaching women. They helped everybody else so much that they forgot to help themselves, and that they're overweight. Women love to help. Find a man who knows his purpose and has a vision, and then help him, support him. Yes, you can have your own ambitions and projects and so forth, but see, if you truly want the relationship to succeed at a maximum level, then see it as your main priority to help him with his purpose and his mission. Don't try to take him off of his mission and his purpose and his vision for selfish interest. Because if you take a man away from his purpose, although he may do it because he loves you so much, a big part of him is going to die in the inside. And that's going to affect the relationship, and it's going to eventually lead to disaster in an unfulfilled relationship. So don't distract a man from his purpose. Help him with his purpose. Help him with his purpose. Help him on his vision. See it as your mission to help him. So, like I said, this could easily be a 5-hour video, but I'm so tempted to go into other things on this, but I wanted to keep this short. Stick to the points, and keep it simple and practical. So, I hope you're all having a great day. Leave some comments below, and until next time, let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.